Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character xiang step by step. I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's write. Xiang. Xiang. Towards, to face, always, or surname Xiang. For example, 向导向导 guide. Here's a sentence. I'm your guide and translator. And translator.我是你们的向导兼翻译。我是你们的向导兼翻译。Translator. 我是 I am 你们的 your 向导 guide 兼 and 翻译 translator. I'm your guide and translator. 我是你们的向导兼翻译。Xiang in cursive. Xiang, towards, to face, always, or surname. 向导 guide. I'm your guide and translator. 我是你们的向导兼翻译。向。Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character xiang. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.